Yeah, man, guy. Tell me.
Yo. Yeah, man, we're up on a journey. Well, first thing, welcome. Welcome to the channel again.
Good night.
Right.
Yeah, man.
We come look on car for rent because the vehicle we have, unfortunately, it can't carry all of the something them we have. So, because a few hours ago.
And we could even get none in our area. From Buckby up here, so how much, man?
Couple miles, I don't know exactly.
So, we have to travel a couple miles and get one for rent. Yeah, man.
So, no just know, say.
Not even life we could have get the car. Actually, car, where we come for rent a shiny light. You can see? Yeah, man. So, we will do it transaction and thing. And we just go on from this. Because we are going to do the thing them
shortly. Yeah, man, we are going to package up the stuff them, so then we still are going.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, so we get the machine and all, so we're going to just head down, go finish package out or we can package out.
Yeah, man, and our time now?
Around 10 o'clock now.
Yeah, man. And
we want to leave a morning early.
Yeah, and
4 o'clock.
Oh, pressure the power still, but
we are doing it. It's for a good cause, a good deal.
Because we get up very early in the morning.
Yeah, man, we are trying to leave at least 4.
Yeah, man, guys, so we are going head down and now go pack out for pack out, and then so I'm going from there, so. We are full rice now. And my dish will use this shape now.
In the morning, I know what time, after 1.
After 1, I go after 2.
You hear the night bugs them? I have blinky, what do you call it? Seal.
I know, maybe as well as I hear something we have to do. Beard and get something here.
And just turn off.
And turn off. As it said earlier, far enough to go for the car.
Good drive, fun. So, guys, we're tired. Because we do other things. So. The greatest thing, God will play. Gotta do health and strength to do the right thing.
What should we do?
I know so this help keep them down so why they can no hunger around that.
That's enough supply. I feel support there.
And guys, I'm just thank you for the support.
Yeah, man. Support me a lot. I want to make everything I want now possible.
Fine home coach.
man, so 100 pound done already, so we're gonna start you know.
Just tie up.
I start frying them, try not to put no water fry all the time.
Oh man, let's see what I look around, man.
Yeah, so much water already.
Which much I
Put
like.
us in the heat on the belly now, look at now. I'm not hot enough, guys. It's not hot. See, it's slow. You see? And it start, I'm beginning jump start and slow.
Yo, ease yourself, yo.
Okay. Ah, take up the one there, start. Now look, look there. Look there. I'll take one and start, look there. And start, now look here now. Not tie now, not tie, not tie. That not tie good. One guys, I just always be a vibes. With the years I'm tired, trust me.
Yo,
Tired,
why
tired,
do
tired.
you want to talk about it? I always have bring the best content to them and don't care why, you know.
Sure.
Big up on yourself, you know, because you know so nasty far and not helping. And God is good, we have strength, we can help others. Even though we're tired and you have a lot of people able and they're not doing it.
Some of them know. It's also a willingness of art now, you know, helping people and them, there are things that we've been doing long before we even start the content.
Don't.
So this, honestly, this is not on you.
Regular, this is a regular thing.
But it does reach out to people and things and they must feel good work and it's kind work and thing. But I think that we've been doing, even though we still do some stuff going on with one camera.
Yeah, because some, you know,
Certain years can't put one camera. Sometimes you got some people place and they help you do something and yeah, we help them do something.
you just don't
The condition of the inner, yes. I just can't do
publicity
it.
don't make no sense.
I can't do it. You see other YouTubers do, but we
You
can't
know,
do
we
it.
can't do certain things either. Unless they deliberately ask and say, yo,
Yeah.
put this one.
The same thing can get help or something. But
No, you gotta go.
without them consent, you know, the,
Yeah. I can't wait till we finish on this.
you know, we can't see when us up to get earlier.
Well, I mean, if I have 1 5 minutes to take it on my yard.
Look at the time, brother. Close to
But in God we trust, we're going to go safely and come back
yeah.
safely. So, no guess business that. God is good. It's easy to catch this lot of the ears. If I go
I let out the ear.
Yeah. One go.
I'm going to do it, I let out here.
One go.
So now that me there is no beat them and technique,
Me too.
but you just pick up what I say the ear.
Oh.
Yeah.
I look for you know, uncle. They're soft like a butter. All over one. Them people
The
say
stuff I
soft.
could get the title uncle. I remember you know, when you're small, I a bigger, just was the uncle I bigger one.
So,
Yeah, so, I don't call my uncle, I earn. Alright. You ready? Put them back in the bag.
then after we pack them out properly.
So we're going to do the flour now. Kind of technical man.
So I'll have to come out there. Go in there, uncle. Go fast, you know.
Right, me tired. Nothing can tired.
The most I see. Go tired, please. Tired, they can't cook you.
No, I'm tired. Bad.
No, you're not near, yeah. Sorry.
What you got to do?
Paano ba weekend, ano? Just do one weekend, you know? Mo, heavy.
I realize that up there,
I work hard, you know? I feel like going to work hard, you know? Wow. Work, you know? We'll try to about final, I don't know. This one here.
Okay, now go pull it.
Yeah?
You can't do it. So when I stop what them I carry it.
Well, just fucking like that, you know, right? No. Nice. Keep it down. I'll do it for you. Guys, so we're going with that. We start pack up the car, but boy, Uncle Chip saying tired. Sleep I take you know. God knows, sleep I take you.
Last one, this is my time. Okay.
Yeah, I'll drop asleep on me.
I'm going to carry it.
What time
Early,
now?
I mean, look here.
Upon the time, guys, and we have to leave here at 4 o'clock. And we don't sleep all night for a night. Uncle Chip.
Rough, man.
I'm tired, you know.
Tired.
Guys, I know I can't see my face. I'm tired, don't you? I'm tired, but I just have to do this.
Yeah, around 4 to 3 night, I'm not saying none of that. I'm just up to clean the work and I have to do this. So I go with them and I carry
them. I'm going to throw them in there, man. We are pack up in our car, guys.
And bear it in mind, so now say every day at 6 o'clock in the morning. So I don't know.
6 o'clock, liquor for now. Because at 3 o'clock now. So we must stay tuned, guys. I sure know no pack up in our vehicle. Now give me our next box.
No? I think I can't even see, brother.
Well, I'm more than tired, brother. That's your more than tired. Move up there. Move up there.
Uncle, you tired?
Why tired is on that statement, bro? That's that foolishness. Yeah, we'll show them in the car, you know. Finally, we load up the car.
Tired.
Yo, you know, so we have to take if I even 5 minutes to have to sleep.
If you take 5 minutes, I can't take it. By the time I walk, grow in 5 minutes. I'm feeling drained.
Yo, it's tired, but you know.
No, not really. I'm tired. Guys, I can't tell now.
I saw you go still.
Yeah, and you know, funny thing about it, we've been always helping people long before even we start with this. So, we're not used to this. Yeah, man, I think so we've been a do, but we just never used to record it and thing. But now it's
that I like now still
we can
share
share journey and like
them.
and thing and influence of the order. Yeah, man.
And give it strong support. We appreciate you, know. We appreciate you so much. We don't have no idea. We appreciate you, know. We just stay tuned. We have put out the best, guys. And we know, no. This is enough with energy, but
you drive 2 minutes, we drive 2 minutes.
No, well, fair enough. I told you I will drive tomorrow.
Yeah, man, you can't go out of here. You're off a truck. I was gonna say around 15 minutes to 3.
No, you are tired, that's a foolishness. 2, 3, about 50, about 20 minutes past 3 now.
Yeah.
You tell us you're tired, man, you're tired.
Yeah.
Well, me tired too, but at least me can't catch
up. Last time I showed them
about 3 o'clock. A little bit after 3, man. I'll be a little after 3, I show them.
Yeah, man, no, can't go back and look. Yeah, we black up for sure.
Anyway, yo, as much as we tired, we keep a straight, a smiling face. So, yeah, me have to take a 5.
Lucky chunk.